Hi there friend, in this video I am going to show you 3 Chrome settings you should turn off for a safer and faster internet experience. You definitely don't want to miss today's video because I am going to show you 3 Chrome settings that might actually be working against you right now. And the most surprising thing is that most people don't even know these settings exist on their phone. Today we are going to talk about some settings that can help protect your personal information, improve your phone's performance and reduce unnecessary internet data usage. And the best part is the entire process will only take a few minutes. So grab your phone, unlock in and let's get started together. Settings number 1. Increase your browsing protection. First, open the Chrome app on your phone, then tap the 3 dots icon in the top right corner. Now go to the settings option. Next, scroll down and find the privacy and security option, tap on it. Then scroll down a little further and you will see the safe browsing option. Now something you should know here. By default, standard protection may be enabled on your phone, and honestly in today's world this might not be enough for you. So tap on the enhanced protection option. When you compare the two options, you will see that enhanced protection provides additional security benefits. It can warn you about dangerous websites, suspicious file downloads and harmful extensions, help you stay protected before they can potentially harm your device or compromise your personal information. On the other hand, standard protection mainly provides a basic level of security. So to improve your security, you can switch from standard protection to enhanced protection. Once enabled, Chrome can help keep you safer with your browser, the internet. Settings number 2. Block third-party cookies. Now go back to the previous screen and scroll up a little. There you will find an option called third-party cookies. This settings is important for many users because third-party cookies may be allowed by default. These cookies can allow different websites to collect information about your online activity and use that information for advertisement purpose. So, if you want to improve your online privacy, it may be a good idea to change this setting. Now, tap on the third-party cookies option and change it to block third-party cookies option. After making these changes, your browser may become more private. It can also reduce some targeted advertising based on your online activity, and most importantly, you can have more control over your personal data. So take a moment to review these Chrome settings and change the ones that you think are right for your privacy need. Settings number 3. Turn off preloading pages. Now for the third and final settings, go back and look for an option called preload pages. Tap on it. By default, these settings may be enabled as standard preloading. This means Chrome may try to predict which link or pages you might click on next and preload some content in advance. As a result, some data may be used in the background even if you don't actually open those pages. This can be especially noticeable for users who rely on mobile data, as it may use unnecessary data. To turn this feature off, select the no preloading option. Now pages will load when you actually open them. This may help reduce necessary data usage and could also give you a better browsing experience. So let's quickly receive everything. By taking just a few minutes to adjust these 3 Chrome settings, you may be able to improve several aspects of your everyday browsing experience. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to give this video a like. It helps our channel grow and encourages us to create more free content like this for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon so you don't miss any on our new videos. Bye.